In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change or replace the color of an object in Affinity. So let's get started. I've got an image here, and the object that I want to change the color is this red basketball. So I'm gonna select the layer and go to Adjustment and click HSL. In HSL window, we'll see these color circles that I can pick to match the object's color that I want to change. The basketball is red, so I'll pick red. I can also use this picker tool to sample the specific color from the object. After I pick the color, I can slide this hue shift to change the color. However, we'll see the color of the area outside of the object, which is the floor, is changed as well. Notice it's a little green right now, and I don't want this. The one to be changed is supposed to be the color of the basketball only. So let's reset it first. To fix this, we can use these nodes and the black line. We can click and drag the black line between the inner nodes to move all of the nodes. If the center of the black line is in blue, that means the adjustments will affect the blue color of the object. If it's in green, then it will affect green color. Now let's reset this again. We can also adjust the black line between the outer node and the inner node to increase the affected color range. Now the changes affect red, pink, purple, blue, green, yellow, and orange. Let's reset it again. Besides that, we can also drag the nodes to adjust the affected color range. However, the color that I want to change is this red only. Again, I'm gonna reset it, and I'm gonna drag these nodes very close into red. Now if I slide hue shift, it will affect the red color of the basketball only. I'm gonna change it to orange. Next, I can also adjust the saturation and luminosity. The saturation shift controls the intensity of the color. Slide it to the right to increase saturation, and slide it to the left to decrease saturation. The luminosity shift controls the brightness. Slide it to the right to make it brighter, and slide it to the left to make it darker. Once everything is done, I'll click Close. Now that's how to change the color of an object. But what if there are more than one object with similar color and I want to change the color of one of them only? Here's how to do it. I've got an image with 5 red apples right here, and I want to change the color of this one apple only into green. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna grab the selection brush tool. Let me increase the brush size first, and make sure the mode is set to add. Now I'll click and drag to select the apple and make sure everything is selected. After that, I'm going to select the layer, click Adjustments, and select HSL. Since the apple is red, I'm gonna select red and slide hue to change the color to green. I'll adjust the saturation and luminosity as well. This area is a little too bright and yellowish, so I'm gonna select this yellow circle and change it to green. Adjust the saturation, change the luminosity back to red, and adjust hue. Click Close, and that's it. We have successfully changed the color of an object in Affinity. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care and bye.